Hello friends, we are continuing our discussion of redox. Now we will discuss redox balancing. Redox half balancing. Let us discuss redox half balancing first. Alright, it is redox half balancing. In redox half balancing, we will be given some reactions like half reactions. MnO4 first in acidic media. Let us discuss. MnO4 negative is converted to Mn2 positive, or Cr2O7 2 negative is converted to Cr3 positive, or we are given C2O4 2 negative is converted to CO2. We have to balance these redox half reactions. Alright, so the first step is to balance the element which is changing its oxidation state, like Mn plus 7 to plus 2. We have 1 Mn on left hand side and 1 Mn on right hand side. That is balanced. Here chromium is changing its oxidation state, but chromium is not balanced, so it is twice of Cr, so we will write twice of Cr. Again here it is twice of C, we will write twice of C. So that element is balanced now. The second step is balancing of oxygen. We are discussing in acidic media. Alright, so in acidic media, and then what we have to do, balance oxygen. For balancing of oxygen, what we do, how many oxygen atoms are there on left hand side? 4. So we write 4 of H2O on right hand side. Alright, and then comes balancing of hydrogen. To balance hydrogen, we put H positive. So how many hydrogen are on right hand side? 8. So we will write 8 of H positive, 8 of H positive. Finally, we balance electron. How to balance electron? See, it is 8 positive and 1 negative. So how many positive charges are there on left hand side? 7 positive. And on right hand side, how many positive charges are there? 2 positive. So 7 positive and 2 positive means positive charges should be same on left hand side and right hand side. So we write 5 of electron. So now see, it is 3 negative and 8 positive. 6 negative and 8 positive. So 2 positive charges on left hand side, 2 positive charge on right hand side. This is how we balance. Now say here oxygen, 7 of oxygen, so we put 7 of H2O. Alright, and then 7 into 2, 14 of H positive. Alright, 14 of H positive. Now finally balancing of charge. Here we have 6 positive, so here also there must be 6 positive charge, whereas right now we have 14 positive minus 2 negative. 14 minus 2 is 12. We have 12 positive charges, whereas here 6 positive charges. So 6 positive charges must be nullified, so we put 6 of electron. Alright, here oxygen 4, already oxygen is balanced. Alright, carbon is already balanced, so we have 2 negative charges. So to balance it, we put 2 negative charge. This is how we balance. Alright, half balancing. This is called half balancing. Here all are these two are getting reduced and this one is getting oxidized. So redox half balancing. Now you can combine these two reaction and you can write the complete whole reaction. And how to balance redox half reaction in basic media. In basic media, suppose we are given, say MnO4 negative is converted to MnO2 in basic media. We are given this reaction, or we are given SO3 2 negative is oxidized to SO4 2 negative, or we are given ASO3 3 negative is oxidized to ASO4 3 negative. So balance, first you have to balance the element which is changing its oxidation state, so that is already balanced, that is balanced. Here also it is balanced. Now oxygen, here we have 4 of oxygen, here we have 2 oxygen. So what we will do, we will write twice of H2O. All right, so balancing of oxygen. Here we have 3 oxygen, here we have 4 oxygen. So here we write 1 H2O. Here 3 oxygen, 4 oxygen. So we will write H2O. So this is how we balance oxygen. All right. After balancing oxygen, we have to balance hydrogen. So this is a bit different balancing of hydrogen. You should be careful. See, we have four hydrogen on right hand side. So what we do, we write 4 of H2O on opposite side or in opposite side, and equal number of OH negative at the opposite side. 4 of OH negative. All right, and then common H2Os are cancelled. So it is twice of H2O is gone, and here we will be left with 2 H2O, twice of H2O. So now see, and finally to balance charge we use electron. So hydrogen is balanced, it is 4 of hydrogen. Oxygen is balanced, 2 plus 4 6, 4 plus 2 6. Now we have 4 negative charge, here we have 1 negative charge, so we will put 3 negative charges here. All right, now see here, here we have 2 hydrogens, so we will write twice of H2O. See, twice of H2O, and we will write twice of OH negative as well at the opposite end. All right, and equal number of H2Os are cancelled. This H2O is cancelled with this one, so we are left with 1 H2O. All right, and now balancing of electron, we have 4 negative charges here, here we have only 2 negative charges, so plus twice of electron. So now look at hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, oxygen 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 1 5, and charge is also balanced. All right, now look at this case. Here we have 1 H2O, means 2 hydrogen, so we will write twice of H2O here, twice of H2O, and then twice of H2O and twice of OH negative, opposite side. All right, and then we will cancel the common H2O, and now the electrons, 3 plus 2 5, here we have 3 negative charges plus twice of electron. This is how we balance this what do you say, half balancing. Both are redox half balancing. And if you want to balance complete reaction, you can use one method, that is oxidation state method. Like we are given MnO4 negative and oxalate ion, that is equal to Mn2 positive plus twice of CO2. CO2. This is given. You can do one thing, you can make a redox half balancing, and you can balance in this manner, or you can proceed in this manner. First Mn is getting oxidized, plus 7 2 plus 2. All right, just write down the change in oxidation state. Here it is C2 3 positive, 2 twice of C 4 positive. All right, the change is 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8, so total change is 2. So this is multiplied by 2 now, this is multiplied by 5. This is done to so that the change in oxidation state become equal. So now we can write twice of MnO4 negative, all right, plus 5 of C2O4 2 negative, that gives 5 into 2, 10 of CO2, all right, and 2 Mn2 positive, twice of Mn2 positive. And now oxygen balancing, so we have 4 into 2 8, and this is 4 into 5 20, 28, and here 20 are completed, so 8 of H2O in the next step. And then hydrogen balancing, so 16 of H positive plus 16 of H positive. All right, 16 of H positive, so it is balanced. Now you can compare the charge. It is 2 negative, all right, 2 negative, and 5 into 2 10, 10 and 10 plus 2 12 negative, 12 negative and 16 positive, that means 4 positive charges are there. Right hand side 4 positive charges are there, balanced. So this is how you balance complete reaction. This is oxidation state method. So this is a simple method. In examination, my suggestion is you go for this method only. because that ion electron method, you can proceed in this manner. You can combine two reactions and then you can write the complete reaction. All right, thank you.